Hello students, we'll see this some other problems under the joint products. Okay, we'll move to the question bank problem. See the question number, page number 42 and question number 2. In a manufacturing company, 1000 kgs of A is processed to produce 6000 kgs of B and 4000 kgs of C. Means 10,000 kgs of A is the input, okay, raw material, and 6000 and 4000 kgs of B and C are the joint products. The joint cost before separation point came to an amount of rupees 24,000. From the following particulars, calculate the apportionment of joint cost and profit of each product under C. Make some corrections. First one, physical measurement method. Instead of physical measurement method, you just make it as average cost per unit method. It's not possible to allocate the joint cost under the physical measurement, so you just make it as average cost per unit method. Second one is the market value after further processing. Okay, and the given information, unit selling price at separation point 5 and 3.75, unit selling price after further processing 7 and 7.50, further processing cost after separation 5000 and 7500. Okay, now see this first one, that is average cost per unit method. Okay, I already explained in the last video. Okay, what is the formula to average cost per unit method? Average cost per unit equal to total joint cost divided by units produced. Total joint cost is 24,000. Unit produced total is how much? B 6000 plus C 4000, 10,000. So 2.4 per unit over. Now statement showing the apportionment of joint cost is very easy. Products B and C, units B 6000, C 4000, average cost per unit 2.4 and 2.4. Apportionment of joint cost 6000 into 2.4, that is 14,400. 4000 into 2.4 equal to 9,600. Total 24,000. Under this C, calculate the apportionment of joint cost. That is over, right? And profit. We need to find out the profit under the both methods also. So we need to find out the profit also. If the problem is given only the apportionment of joint cost, means till this method, till this step is enough, but they asked for find out the profit, so we need to find out the profit. See, statement of cost and profit. Now we have to prepare the find out the profit. Statement of cost and profit is very easy. See, first, particulars total B and C. Joint cost is total 24,000. For B already calculated to 14,400 and 9,600. 14,400 and 9,600. And is there any cost? Is there any other cost except joint cost? After the joint cost, which one more cost is there, that is further processing cost after separation, right? Okay, we have to add further processing cost, that is 12,500 total. 5,000 for B and C, 7,500. So total cost is 36,500, 19,400 and 17,100. Now we need to find out the profit, right? We got the cost and we need profit and sales. Whether it is possible to find out the profit? No, right? There is no any information. So we can find out the sales. See, how to find out the sales? Unit selling price after further processing. The unit selling price at the separation point, that information is not needed. Unit selling price after, at the end means after further processing, right? Okay, how much? 7. For B, 7. B7 means the B units is how much? 6,000. 6,000 into 7, 42,000. And for C, 4,000 into 7.50, that is 30,000. Okay, now got the sales. So difference is the profit. We just deduct 72,000 minus 36,500, 42,000 minus 19,400, 30,000 minus 17,100. Difference is the profit. This is the first method. Now second one, see, market value after further processing. This is also similar to this statement, previous statement, but only thing is the division of the or allocation of the joint cost is different. See, joint cost on the basis of the sales. Joint cost on the basis of sales. Under this what? Under this problem, on the basis of what? Uh, on the basis of cost per unit, right? We allocate the joint cost, right? Under this, on the basis of the sales, we have to divide the joint cost. Sales is how much? Already we have calculated here, right? 42,000 and 30,000 sales. 42,000 and 30,000, 7 is to 5. Now we have to divide the on the basis of that. For 24,000 into 7 divided by 13 means 14,000, and 24,000 into 5 divided by 13, that is the 10,000. Next same further processing cost as it is 5,000 and 7,000. Total cost you just add both, then got the sales. Sales is same 42,000 and 30,000, 42,000, 30,000. The difference is the profit. Only thing different thing is on the basis of the sales. Market value after further processing means joint cost how to divide it on the basis of the sales. This is about the problem. Okay, we'll see the next problem, that is the page number 46 and question number 13. See the problem. From the following information, find the profit made by each product, apportioning joint cost on the basis of the sales value. It's very easy. Apportioning the joint cost on the basis of the sales value. Okay, we need to find out the profit. Means we have to prepare the statement, and joint cost divide on the basis of the sales value. And joint cost, different joint costs are there. In previous problems, they are giving the total joint cost. Right now, under this, different types of joint cost are there: direct material, power, petrol, oil, lubricant, labor, and other charges. And selling cost is given, and sales also given in the problem. Okay, it's very easy. See the problem. Statement of cost and profit. First, joint cost on the basis of the sales is given in the problem. Sales is directly given in the problem, 1,52,000 and 1,68,000 means 19 is to 21. Now we have to divide direct material, power, petrol, oil, lubricant, labor, and other charges on the basis of this. Total is given in the 1,26,000 into 19 divided by 40. 40 is nothing but 19 plus 21. 40 means 59,850. One more, 1,26,000 into 21 divided by 40, that is 66,150. Same power, petrol, labor, and other charges you divide. Then the total of these is, that is the cost of production. After the cost of production, we have to add, is there any other cost, selling cost or further processing cost? Okay, selling cost is there, it's already divided to x and y, so write as it is 20,000 and 80,000. So total cost, we got the total cost. After the total cost, we have to write the profit and sales. Profit is not possible to find out. Sales is already given in the problem, 1,52,000 and 1,62,000. Difference is the profit. Here we getting the loss, right? Why? The cost is 1,87,000. To produce the Y, the cost is 1,87,362, but we sold only for the 1,68,000. There is a loss, right? You just write in the bracket if there is a loss. Okay. And next we'll see one more problem under the same, that is the 46 and 14 page number for next problem. Okay, see the problem. Amrut Industries Limited operates a processing plant to produce 3 joint products X, Y, and Z. The following particulars are provided to you from the books of the company. Find out the cost of joint products under first one, average unit cost method, B, physical units method. First one is first method, second one is physical units method, means it is the second method. Okay, joint products XYZ, unit produced 10,000, 4,000. Unit produced means output, raw material used means input used, 10,000, 20,000, 20,000. Pre-separation cost rupees 1,000. What do you mean by pre-separation cost? It's nothing but joint cost. Pre-separation cost is nothing but joint cost. See, first we'll see the average unit cost method. Okay, how? Average cost unit method is nothing but total joint cost divided by number of units produced. Total joint cost is 1 lakh. Number of units produced means, first one, unit produced 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000, 20,000 means rupees 5 per unit. Next, statement showing the apportionment of the joint cost under the first one. Say products XYZ, units 10,000, 4,000, 6,000, and the Average cost per unit already calculated, right? 555. Now you have to multiply 10,000 into 5, 4,000 into 5, 6,000 into 5, 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. 1 lakh is the total joint cost. Over. Next is this is the same as previous problem. Only the physical unit method will see. Okay. See statement of cost, how to find out. See here, products XYZ. Then see, under the physical unit method you have to use the raw material units. Okay, raw material used. Okay, under the first method we have to use the output. Under this on the basis of the physical units, right? So we have to use the raw material used, raw material used. Okay, now under XYZ raw material used 10,000, 20,000 and 20,000. Next, percentage of raw material used. How to find out percentage of raw material used? See, total raw material 50,000 used. 50,000 means how much? 100%. So 10,000 means how much? So how? 10,000 divided by 50,000 into 100. Next year 20,000 divided by 50,000 into 100. One more 20,000 divided by 50,000 into 100. So 20%, 40% and 40%. Now total apportionment. Now total cost is how much? Joint cost 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh into 20% means 20,000. 1 lakh into 40% means 40,000. 1 lakh into 40% means 40,000. Okay, 1 lakh is nothing but total joint cost. Joint cost 20% for X, 40% for Y and 40% for Z. Total is 1 lakh. Okay, this is about the physical unit method. Under this we have to use the raw material, and raw material percentage usually we have to find out, and we have to apply that percentage on the joint cost. Okay, thank you. We'll see some more problems under the next class.